Hi everyone! Today we're making pumpkin donuts. Perfect for fall or anytime you're craving something tasty. I've made these many times and trust me, if you follow the recipe, you can't go wrong with them. I'm Sandrine from Whipped and this is the dessert you deserve. First, make the spice mix. Take cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. Mix them in a bowl and put it aside. Now, let's make the dough. Whisk eggs and brown sugar in a bowl until fluffy. Add pumpkin puree, cream, and your spice mix. Then, you add your melted butter. In another bowl, mix flour, baking powder, and salt. Add this to your egg mixture in a couple of times to avoid lumps. Wrap the dough and chill it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Take the dough from the fridge and roll it out using a little bit of flour so it doesn't stick. Then, use a cookie cutter to get your donut shape. For the center hole, use a small bottle cap. Heat shortening in a saucepan to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Carefully put a couple of donuts in the shortening at a time. Flip them after about 1 minute. Both sides should turn golden. Place them on a cooling rack or just a baking tray with paper towel to absorb the excess oil. For the glaze, mix brown sugar, pumpkin puree, milk, spices, and butter in a saucepan. Bring the ingredients to a boil and let it simmer for about a minute. Transfer the mixture in a bowl and let it cool down for 5 minutes. Add powdered sugar until you get the right thickness. If you feel your glaze is too thick, just add more pumpkin puree. Dip each donut in the glaze. Tap to smooth it out. That's it! Enjoy your pumpkin donuts! Made in 5 simple steps. If I can do it, you can too. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Got any questions? Write them in the comments. See you next week!